Welcome to the 8th and final part of our drone maintenance series. Drones are advanced aviation equipment that combine precision hardware with sophisticated software. No matter how clean and physically sound your aircraft is, software errors, like firmware version mismatches, app communication failures, or GPS signal issues can prevent takeoff, or even cause a loss of control in mid-air. A drone's software requires four-way synchronization among the aircraft, controller, battery, and smartphone app to function properly. So, why do firmware errors occur? First, if Wi-Fi disconnects or the battery is below 50% during an update, the file can corrupt, turning your drone into a non-responsive brick. Second, if the firmware versions between the drone, controller, and app do not match, takeoff will be inhibited, or features may malfunction. Third, using damaged or low-quality cables leads to data link errors, which can instantly cut off your real-time FPV video transmission mid-flight. Fourth, insufficient storage on the drone's internal memory or smart controller will cause firmware installation failures and flight log saving errors. You also need to know how to respond immediately when key warning messages appear in the app during a flight setup. If a firmware update failed alert pops up, it's usually due to an unstable network. Reboot both the drone and controller. Ensure battery level is over 50% and try again. If a sensor error or IMU error warning appears, the sensors are out of range. Move your drone to a flat, stable surface and perform a sensor calibration. If an aircraft disconnected alert shows up, try reconnecting the cable or perform aircraft repairing in the controller menu. If a gimbal stuck or gimbal overloaded error occurs, check if you forgot to remove the protective cover, or if debris is caught in the axis. Remove the cover, check the motor movement range, and run auto calibration. If a transmission signal lost warning appears, it could be frequency interference or a bad cable. Adjust your controller antennas and swap to an official data cable. What should you do if the issue persists on your mobile device? Here is the step-by-step standard recovery procedure. Step 1. Turn off the power completely. Wait 10 seconds, and turn on the drone first, followed by the controller. Step 2. Force close the smartphone background app and restart it. Make sure you are using an OTG data cable rather than a charge-only cable. Step 3. Go to Control in the app settings and select Repair Aircraft to resync the frequency between the controller and the drone. Step 4. If mobile troubleshooting fails, your last resort is the desktop software, DJI Assistant 2. Install the program on your computer, connect the drone via USB cable, and perform a firmware refresh or factory reset. Here are a few practical troubleshooting tips for unexpected situations. In the field, if your smartphone app crashes unexpectedly while flying, don't panic. The control link between the controller and drone remains active. Simply restart the app. If only the video feed drops, reconnect the cable or navigate the drone back manually using the map screen on your controller. If the drone flies in the wrong direction when you press return to home, it is a compass error. Cancel return to home immediately and fly back manually. To prevent this, always confirm the home point updated voice prompt and check for at least 12 satellite connections before takeoff. Keep in mind that before doing a factory reset on a PC, back up your flight logs in the DJI Fly app and transfer your footage to your computer. After the reset, you must recalibrate the IMU, compass, and gimbal horizon. Safe flying comes from both mechanical care and proper software maintenance. Remembering these steps: rebooting, swapping cables, and using PC recovery will keep software glitches from ruining your flight. This concludes our 8-part drone maintenance and safe flying guide series. If you found this series helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next flight.